So we are going to put it in the middle. So as you can see guys, our project is working. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple Tech 100 guys. So guys, in today's video I want to show you how to make inverter transformer. As you can see, this is one transformer already. So we want to rewind it. So that's our copper. So follow up guys and see how we build this inverter transformer guys, step by step. Thank you. At this moment we cannot remove the ferrite core easily, so we have to boil it for at least 30 minutes. So guys, as you can see, we've already removed all the coil inside and the sheet, everything. So we are using this coil now as our primary winding. So guys, as you can see, I've removed the shade of the copper. So let's do it now guys. I'm using a double wire. So guys, this is our first turn, and we are going to wrap it with a tape before I make another turn. So we are going to continue using the same wire like this. So let me so like this guys. So we are going to continue. So guys, this is our second turn using the same wire. So we are going to tape it again, then we continue just like we did at the first place. So guys, this is our third winding, as you can see. So we are going to use the tape like before, then we wrap the remaining coil. This is the remaining coil guys, so like this. So guys, I've taped it again, so we are going to continue with the remaining coil. So guys, this is the remaining copper. So we are going to turn it now and put it here like this. and we put it here like this, guys. So guys, as you can see, we are through with our primary winding. So this is the 2 wire here, the output. So this is how to make inverter transformer. So we are going to use this for our secondary winding. So let's go, guys. So we are going to put a tape, guys, before we add the secondary winding. So guys, we want to make the secondary winding, which is the input for this transformer. So we are making use of 404, guys. So as you can see, I want to put it here like this, then we turn it. So guys, we already make the first 4, then we are going to loop it like this, then we can start another turn. So let me cut it off. So as you can see, guys, I've already cut it off. So we are going to put it here like this. So guys, as you can see, this is our first turn, starting from here, then we end it up here. So I'm going to take another copper wire starting from here. So this will be our loop. I'm gonna add it together like this. This will be our loop, then I will turn another 4, then we end it here, guys. So guys, like I said, we are going to start from the middle so that we can have our loop, then we make another 4 turn, then we end it here. So let me do it like this. For better understanding, guys. So as you can see, guys, I've already looped it here, then we make another 4 turn round, then we end it here. We now have 1 2 3. The middle will be our positive, and here will be for the driver input. So let's do it now, guys. So I'm making another 4 turn like this. As you can see, so we are going to put the end of this one here, guys. So let me see if we can turn it again, then end it up here. No, it's too small, guys, so we have to reduce it. So guys, this is the end of the second wire that we start from here, guys, then we end it here. Don't forget, from here we end it here, and from here we end it here, guys. So this one will be our loop. I'm going to connect this wire here, this winding here, to this second winding, this one together. So this will be the positive, and this will be the input for the drivers. So we now have one wire series. This is 404 ton, guys, for the secondary winding. So we are connecting this one together like this. Together, we are going to use a soldering iron to solder it together like this. So this will be as one. So this will be the positive input, and here is for the driver input, guys. And here is our output. These two is our output. So let's go, guys. So guys, as you can see, this is our transformer that we just made, and I've used soldering iron to solder it together. As you can see, guys, this is for the input, here is for the loop. As you can see, this is the two wire from here, one, two. So I loop it together with this, and here is the driver input, guys. So guys, I want to explain how to make the driver for this inverter transformer. So we have 220 ohms resistor, guys. So we are going to connect. We have gate. The left hand side here is for the gate, the middle here is drain, and the left and the right hand side here is for source. This is n-channel MOSFET, guys. I'm using two n-channel MOSFETs. So we are going to connect our resistor from gate here, I mean from this pin, which is the left hand side. From here we are going to connect our resistor from the gate here to the drain of this second MOSFET, and we are going to connect the second resistor from the gate here to the middle of this first MOSFET. And this middle wire that came like this middle wire, we are going to use it for the input here, 1, 2, which is the drain and drain. So we are going to connect our resistor from gate to the middle, which is the drain. From gate here also to the middle here, which is the drain also. Then the middle wire is for the input. Then we are going to connect the negative here parallel to this negative of the second MOSFET, guys. So that's how we are going to do it. So guys, as you can see, our project has been completed and we are going to test it now. So if you haven't watched a video about how I repair this bulb, I will leave a link in the description below so that you can watch it. So we are going to connect our wire now so that we can connect it. As you can see, this is for the driver input, like I said before. Yeah, so the two pin is for the driver input and the middle pin is for the positive. So let's go, guys. So guys, as you can see, we wanted to test our transformer. So we are using 3.7 volt battery in series. So we are having 6 volt battery to test it. So I've connected it to the MOSFET, and the middle pin is for the positive, like I said before. As you can see, guys, our project is working. As you can see, guys, so we are going to test it with another bulb. and see how this thing is working. So as you can see, our transformer is working and our driver is working as well. So if you find this video helpful, guys, please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.